You said Bhashyam, then Vartika and Tip. Just tell me those.
Tippani.
It's Vartika is VAR?
Yeah. VARTTIKA. Vartika.
Oh, okay. And the one which Sureshwacharya wrote on Shankara's Bhashyam, which Bhashyam of Shankara?
This one, Brahma Sutram. Brahma Sutram.
Is it called Bhamini, Guruji? Is it called Bhamini?
No.
No, there is a Bhamati that is different. There's a Bhamati is there. That is different.
Sureshwaracharya wrote Vartikam on Dakshinamurti Stotram also. Manasollasa.
Manasollasa also is there. Yeah. Beautiful. That also is in shloka format.
So is this Tippani a commentary on Vartika?
Yeah, Tippani can even be a commentary on the Bhashyam itself. Tippani literally means footnote. Tippani, footnote is called Tippani. And so Tippani. So sometimes the whole text is called Tippani, which can be a commentary of Vartika, or there can be Tippanis of Bhashyam also. Tippanis of Bhashyam. Often you see that. You see Kailas Ashram, you see Swamiji, Mahamandaleshwar, Vishnu Devananda and all. They are writing Tippanis of what? Anandagiri Vartika of Shankaracharya's Bhashyam of Mundaka Upanishad. The Tippani can be written of. Sometimes they give. I see Tippani also of Bhashyam there in the text. I see them commenting on the Bhashyam. They will put a footnote. You know, they number all the words, and then at the bottom you see the Tippani. So literally, that's how they write it. Just as and when needed clarification, kind of.
Jaykumarji, so when you talk about sutras, so the Bhashyam is expounding those sutras to give a meaning within the words. Now, so you're talking about the sutras within the Bhashyam. Bhashyam is nothing but giving the meaning to the sutras. Now, but sutras are coming in other things also. So it's a subset of that, right? So why it is Bhashyam is separate, sutras, though embedded into other things like Shruti, Sutram itself.
So any text which see Sutram, when we use the word Sutram in Sanskrit, it has a very specific meaning. Alpaksharam asandigdam saravat vishwato mukam akshodbhyam anavadyam cha sutram sutravido viduhu. So there is a pakka definition for Sutram. And so it has to be cryptic. That definition will automatically make the Sutram cryptic, very cryptic it will be. Okay, and so any text that is written in that format will come under this category.
Yeah.
So it could be Patanjali Sutras, it could be Panini Sutras, many other sutras. Generally, we study yoga. People study Patanjali Sutras, and we study Panini Sutras and Brahma Sutras. Brahma Sutra is Vedanta. Panini Sutra is Sanskritam, pure Sanskritam. And so you can put all of them in the Sutra category. Okay. So, I mean, it's good to know that this is the types of texts we have. Yeah, Hari, please go ahead.
Hari Om. Guruji, can you send this lecture, today's lecture, as a standalone recording so that we can share it with some of our very good friends? Because this has given a clear idea. The most loosely used word is Shaastram, without knowing what actually the Shaastram is. For everything, then it is as per Shastra, as per Shastra. The way that you have explained, that gives an clear idea. So if you can send this as a standalone recording, which we can share with all people.
Sure, we'll do that. We'll put a separate title that's meaningful to everybody. Then we'll send it out.
Okay, thank you.
So Narayan, what we may have to do is put it as one of those, and then the whatever. Yeah, it doesn't come under any Bhagavad Gita or Kathopanishad.
Yeah, this is a standalone as a video recording.
Yeah.
So we have a category, different category of special recordings. So we'll put it there.
I mean, if you're going to share with people, Jayakumarji, it will be better if it is audio because the file size will be less.
No, it'll be a link to the YouTube video. That's all it is.
Okay, that's okay.
Thank you.
Any other questions? Yeah. Dhanyavad. Okay. Nice. Oh, today is incidentally Maharshi Valmiki Janmadinam. Oh, this is a great coincidence. Some schools in Bangalore have announced holiday. Hey, they should announce. They should have a quarter-day class, not half-day. Quarter-day class. Talk about
It's a
Valmiki.
government.
Do
It's a
some
government
dramas.
holiday.
Allow the kids to do a show on Ramayana. That's all they should do. What holiday they're giving?
No, today it's a government holiday in Bangalore, in
All
Karnataka.
schools in Bangalore are holiday today.
No,
Half
today it's
water.
no Guruji, but
Bangalore
today it's a
under water.
government holiday. Narayananji, it's a government holiday today.
Okay. Government holiday.
Yeah.
Good. They're recognizing Valmiki. That's good.
That is not because of Maharshi Valmiki. Valmiki as a category they recognize. That's the
Yes.
Valmiki as a social category is being recognized, not Maharshi Valmiki.
Whole category.
Okay.
We have a subsect called Valmiki followers.
Correct. Yeah.
Like that Vishwakarma group.
Vishwakarmas.
Correct.
Vishwakarma Day.
Vyoma is having Akhanda Sundarakanda Parayanam now. Okay. Good. Those who want to join the Sundarakanda Parayanam, please.
From
join
6
them.
a.m. to 1 p.m. today.
Very good. Sundarakanda Parayanam. So really, we can't say we can't say I'm jobless. We can't say that because Sundarakanda Parayanam. Then somebody will ask, "Come, let's then come. If you're jobless, come join me." Sundarakanda Parayanam is going. There's always some Parayanam or other going on. There's some class or the other going on. So there is no such thing. There's never a dull moment, as they say. Good. All right. We will pause with this and.
Your mother is better, Guruji.
Yeah, mother is same as yesterday, but they were supposed to do. Thank you. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Dhanvantaraye Amrita Kalashahastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trilokyanathaya Sri Mahavishnave Namaha.
Dhanyavad.